The best time to visit Tahiti or Borabora, or really the French Polynesian islands, is during the dry season between May to October. This is when you can get that ideal beach weather with less humidity and less rain, i.e. the dry season. And speaking of May, we just found availability for a 1-week trip, business class flights, using a very reasonable amount of points from the West Coast to Tahiti, and then the return from Tahiti back to the West Coast. Let's show you how right now. Okay, this is the Alaska Airlines website. We found a flight on May 7th for just 60,000 points and $19. This is aboard airtahitinui from LAX to Tahiti. And for reference, the same flight, if you paid cash, would cost you $5,276. This means if you have a credit card that has Alaska miles, American Airlines miles, or American Express points, you can book this flight. American Express points transfer to Hawaiian, which then transfer to Alaska to redeem this flight. But now for the return. Okay, this is Rome.Travel Premium. We found a flight from Tahiti to LAX exactly 1 week later, May 14th, aboard Air France. So it cost you 106,500 Flying Blue miles and about $274. A lot of different points transfer here to Air France or Flying Blue, the mileage program for Air France and KLM. Which means nearly every transferable credit card, including Capital One Venture rewards cards, allow you to transfer points to Flying Blue and book this flight on the way back from Tahiti. And that flight, for reference, will cost you about $2,200 if you paid cash. Okay, let's see if this is a good deal. All right, the total cash cost of both flights, $7,464. Total miles or points required, 166,500. Taxes and fees, about 293 cents per point, 4.3. Yeah, good use of points. Again, if you want that CPP guide, just comment CPP or calculator. We'll send you a link so you can get it for your future flight and hotel bookings. By the way, just because you're flying into Tahiti doesn't mean you have to stay in Moorea. You can stay in Borabora. Many of these tropical destinations just require a small commuting flight from the Tahiti airport or a ferry. There's even a public ferry to save more money. And French Polynesia is a fantastic way to redeem Hilton points if you have them. Okay, hope this helps. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them below. If you do need more help, just know that we offer an award booking service as well as one-on-one consultations where we can answer any question you have and help plan your trip with you live. And we have an ebook. It's amazing. As always, if there are any countries in the whole world that you want to visit using the least amount of credit card points, comment that country below. And if there are any airlines you want to fly on, this can be economy, business, and first class using the least amount of credit card points, comment that airline and destination. We'll see if we can help. Above all else, thank you for being you. Love you. Bye.